Hi, welcome to Vidyanagar online class. So, let us continue our third chapter. In this session, we are going to study about the divisibility rule of some numbers. After that, we will do some problems from exercise 3.3 related to that. Okay, so let us start. Today, we are going to study about divisibility rules. That is, whether a given number is divisible by another number. There are some easy methods for finding the divisibility of certain numbers. So first we will start from divisibility of two. To find whether a given number is divisible by 2, the last digit of the given number must be it must be 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. If any of these numbers come as the last digit of the given number, then we can say that that number is divisible by 2. For example, 24. Here 4 is the last number, so it is divisible by 2. Now see another 1, 0, 4, 5, 8. So it's a big number, but looking at the last digit, it's 8, isn't it? So you can say that it is divisible by 2. Another example, 2, 5, 7, 8, 9. See, here the last digit is 9. So it is not here, it's not, so it is not divisible by 2. Okay, so by looking at the last digit, you can say that whether a given number is divisible by 2. Now next is divisibility by 10. To see whether a given number is divisible by 10, it's very easy. The last digit must be 0. If it is 0, you can say that the given number is divisible by 10. 250, last digit is 0, so it is divisible by 10. 2, 5, 7, 8, 0, 0, 4. Is it divisible by 10? No, because the last digit is 4. If it is 0 only, it is divisible by 4. This is not divisible by 10. Okay, see another example, 1, 2, 5, 7, 8, 0. Is it divisible by 10? Yeah, yes, it is divisible because the last number is 0. It is divisible by 10. Okay. Now, next is divisibility by 5. For this, the last digit must be 5 or 0. Okay. The given number, see 250. The last number is 0, isn't it? So it is divisible by 5. It is divisible by 10 also, because if the last number is 0, it will be divisible by 10. So next one, 2, 5, 7, 8, 5. Here also last digit is 5, so it is divisible by 5. Then 3, 9, 8, 2, 5, 9. This is, here last number is 9. So it is not divisible by 5. Okay. Now next we move on to the divisibility of another number, that is divisibility of 3. To find whether a given number is divisible by 3, it's a quite different way. Suppose a number is given 245. You have to add all the given numbers, that is 2 plus 4 plus 5. Okay. What is 2 plus 4 plus 5? 2 plus 4, 6. 6 plus 5, it is 11. So if the answer is a multiple of 3, then you can say that this number is divisible by 3. Here see, it is 11. 11 is not a multiple of 3, isn't it? It is not a multiple of 3. So 245 is not divisible by 3. Now see another example, 1, 5, 0. Now you add it. 1 plus 5 plus 0. What is 1 plus 5 plus 0? It is 6. 6 is a multiple of 3, isn't it? So it is divisible by, so 150 is divisible by 3. Now another example, 2, 1, 2, 3, 7. Now let us check it. 2 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 7. What is it? 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 2, 5. 5 plus 3, 8. 8 plus 7, 15. Yeah, 15 is a multiple of 3. 3 into 5 is 15, isn't it? Therefore, 2, 1, 2, 3, 7 is a multiple of, is divisible by 3. Clear? Now next is divisibility by 9. See, 3 and 9 are almost same type. To find the divisibility of 9 also, we add all the given digits of the number. Suppose the number is 250. You add it. 2 plus 1 plus 5. So 3 plus 5 it is 8. 8 is not a multiple of 9, isn't it? Therefore, 215 is not divisible by 9. Now next one, take a bigger number, 317,820. Now add it. 3 plus 1 plus 7 plus 8 plus 2 plus 0. Now what is the answer? 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 7, 11. 11 plus 8, 19. 19 plus 2, it is 21. Is 21 a multiple of 9? No. So it is not divisible by 9. Now we take another number, 2, 1, 4, 2, 0. Now let us check whether it is divisible by 9. 2 plus 1 plus 4 plus 2 plus 0. What is that sum? 3 plus 4, 7. 7 plus 2, 9. Now 9 is a multiple of 9, isn't it? Therefore, this given number is divisible by 9. Clear? Now next is divisibility by 6. To know whether a given number is divisible by 6, it should be divisible by 3 and 2. If a number is divisible by both 3 and 2, then you can say that it is divisible by 6. Now see a number. 2, 1, 4. Is this number divisible by 2? Yes, isn't it? Because last number is 4, it is divisible by 2. What about 3? 3 you have to check. 2 plus 1 plus 4. What is the answer? 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 2, it is 7. So, not divisible by 3. So, the number is 214 is not divisible by 6. If a number is divisible by both 2 and 3, then you can say that it is divisible by 6. Then I will give another example. 3, 1, 6, 0. Now see, first check the divisibility of 2. Yeah, last digit is 0, so it is divisible by 2. Next check the divisibility of 3. Check it. 3 plus, how will you check? 3 plus 1 plus 6 plus 0. What is the answer? 4 plus 6, 10. So it is not divisible by 3. Therefore, not divisible by 6. Now one more example I will give you. 2, 7, 3, 0. So again its last number is 0, so it is divisible by 2. Now check the divisibility of 3. 2 plus 7 plus 3 plus 0. 2 plus 7, 9, 9 plus 3, 12, 12 plus 0, 12 itself. So it's 12. 12 is a multiple of 3, isn't it? So it is divisible by 3. Both are divisible, both divisible by 2, divisible by 3. Therefore 2730 is divisible by 6. If any of this is not divisible, then it is not divisible by 6. Both are divisible by 2 and 3. The given number is divisible by 2 and 3. Then you can say that it is divisible by 6. Now next is divisibility by 4. 4 is very simple. To find the divisibility of 4, the last 2 digits of the given number must be a multiple of 4. Okay. Multiple of 4. Now see the number. 2, 1, 4, 3, 6. Whatever number given, see the last 2 digits. It is 36. 36 is a multiple of 4, isn't it? 4 into 9 is 36. So this number is divisible by 4. Take another example, 217. Last number is 17. It is not a multiple of 4. So not divisible by 4. Then see another 1001716. Here see the last 2 digits, it is 16. It is a multiple of 4. So the number is divisible by 4. Clear? Next is divisibility by 8. To find whether a given number is divisible by 8, its last 3 digits is a multiple of 8. Then you can say that it is divisible by 8. Okay. If the last 3 digits of a given number is a multiple of 8, then you can say that the number is divisible by 8. See 2, 1, 4, 6. Here what you have to do is take the last 3 digits, 146, isn't it? Divide it by 8. 146 divided by 8. What is that? 1 time 8, then 6, 66, 8, 64, remainder 2. So there is, if remainder is 0 only, it is completely divisible. So here this is not divisible by 8. Now I will give another example. 3, 4, 0, 7, 2. Take the last 3 digits. It is 72, isn't it? Now see 72, you can say it's a multiple of 8. So the given number is divisible by 8. Now another example. 2, 5, 1, 6, 1, 6. 2, 5, 1, 6, 1, 6, 8. Okay. Now let us see. Take the last 3 digits. It is 168. Now let us check whether it is divisible by 8. 16 2 times. Bring down the 8 1 time. Remainder is 0. So this number is divisible by 8. Now we will do exercise 3.3. Using divisibility rule, determine which of the following numbers are divisible by 4 by 8. That is, from these numbers we have to find which is divisible by 4 and which is divisible by 8. Now we take the first number, 572. You know, to find the divisibility of 4, you have to see the last 2 digits. That is 72. Is 72 a multiple of 4? Let us see. 72 divided by 4. 1 time 4, 32, 8 times 32, remainder 0. So it's a multiple of 4, therefore 572 is divisible by 4. Now what about 8? 8 you have to take the last 3 numbers, that is 572. Just divide it and find 572 divided by 8. 57 7 times 56, remainder 12. So 12 1 8, remainder 4. So it is not divisible by 8. Now take the next one. Here to know the divisibility of 4, take last 2 digit 52. 52, just find out 4, 1 time 4, 12, 3 times. So it is divisible by 4. Then you check the divisibility by 8. 352 divided by 8. 4 times 32, remaining 3, 32. Again 4 times 32, remainder 0. So this is divisible by 8 also. Okay. Now see this one, 5500. Here to check the divisibility of 4, you have to take the last 2 digits. Now see here, the last 2 digit is 0. You should know that when the last 2 digits are 0, it will be divisible by 4. And when the last 3 digits are 0, it will be divisible by 8. So here you can directly write that it is divisible by 4. Now to check the divisibility of 8, you have to take the last 3 digits, that is 500. Now let us see 500 divided by 8. So here 6 times 48, remainder 2, 20, 2 times 16, remainder 4. So it is not divisible by 8. So this number is not divisible by 8. Okay. Now take the next one. 21,084. Here to check the divisibility of 4, you take the last 2 digits, that is 84. 84 you divide it by 4. 2 times 8, then 4, 1 time. Okay, so this is divisible by 4. To check the divisibility, take the last 3 digits, that is also 84 itself. So divide by 8, remainder 4. So it is not divisible by 8. Now see the next one. 1595072. So it is 15,95,072. You needn't check the number. To check the divisibility of 4, take the last 2 digits, 72. Here before we already divided 72 once, isn't it? It's the first question. So you found that 72 is a multiple of 4. Therefore, you can directly write it is divisible by 4. Then take the divisibility of 8. See here 0, 72 means 72 itself. 72 is a multiple of 8. 8 into 9 is 72. So it is also divisible by 8. Okay. Now see the third question. Using divisibility rule, determine which of the following numbers are divisible by 6. To know the divisibility of 6, you know that you have to find whether the number is divisible by 2 and 3. If both are divisible, then you can say that it is divisible by 6. So we will take the first question. See, here the last digit is 4. If the last digit is 4, you know that it will be divisible by 2. Now you have to check the divisibility by 3. For that, add the given digit 2 plus 9 plus 7 plus 1 plus 4 plus 4. So here it is, add it. 2 plus 9, 11, plus 7, 18, 19, 23, 27. 27 is a multiple of 3, isn't it? 3 into 9 is 27. Therefore, it is divisible by 3 also. Both 2 and 3 are correct. Therefore, it is divisible by 6. Now take the next one. 1258. Here the last digit is 8. So you can directly write it is divisible by 2. Then check the divisibility of 3. 1 plus 2 plus 5 plus 8. 3 plus 5, 8. 8 plus 8, it is 16. 16 is not a multiple of 3. So not divisible by 3. Therefore, this number is not divisible by 6. Now take the next one. Here, last digit is 2. So you can directly write it is not divisible by 2. If it is not divisible by 2, then no need of checking the other ones. You can directly write it is not divisible by 6. Then take next one. Here also last digit is 3. So not divisible by 2. Therefore, not divisible by 6. Now here next one. Last digit is 2. So it is divisible by 2. Then to know the divisibility of 3, add it. 1 plus 7 plus 8 plus 5 plus 2. 7 plus 1, 8. 8 plus 8, 16. 16 plus 5, 21. 21 plus 2, 23. 23 is not a multiple of 3. So it is not divisible by 3. Therefore, the number is not divisible by 6. Watch the video carefully, copy it to your notebook and send it to me before 12:30. Thank you.